Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is world's smallest pacemaker. Scientists at Northwestern University have developed an incredibly small pacemaker that can fit into the tip of a syringe and be injected non-invasively into the body. This new pacemaker, which is smaller than a grain of rice, could transform the treatment of congenital heart defects, particularly in newborns. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch for the IAS GS Foundation course Prelims plus Mains is starting soon at Drishti IAS Noida Center. Admissions are now open for both English and Hindi medium. For more details, contact us at 87501. Now let's discuss about key takeaways. Key points. The pacemaker is compatible with all heart sizes but is especially designed for fragile newborns with congenital heart defect. It can be injected through a syringe and is paired with a wearable wireless device to control pacing. The pacemaker dissolves naturally after it is no longer needed, eliminating the need for surgical removal. All components are biocompatible, ensuring minimal risk to the body. The device is particularly useful in pediatric heart surgeries where temporary pacing is required. The pacemaker can be used to assist recovery by stimulating the heart without the need for additional surgery. The technology could be integrated into other medical devices such as heart valve replacements or used for nerve and bone repair, treating wounds and managing pain. Strategic implication. This pacemaker could significantly improve outcomes for newborns and children with heart defects by providing a safer, more convenient treatment option. The versatility of the technology offers exciting possibilities for future applications in bioelectronic medicine. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following is a unique feature of the new pacemaker developed by Northwestern University scientists? It requires surgical implantation and removal. It can be injected non-invasively using a syringe. It needs to be replaced every 5 years. Or it is not biocompatible and has a higher risk of rejection. Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.